So you probably noticed there's been a few videos on the channel recently aiming to discover, uncover the best-selling items on Amazon in various categories, because usually the best-selling items are there for a reason. And of course, just like the other segments we've covered in the past with the wireless headphones and so on, there's a list of best-selling TVs on Amazon. And this one, it's not the best-selling TV overall, but it is the best-selling 4K TV. It's reviewed really well. It's got the Amazon branding with the Fire TV edition. So this 43-inch 4K TV is $249. If you're in the market for a TV, this is probably something you should be paying attention to, especially if you haven't stepped up to 4K yet. I mean, there's hardly an excuse left over at this point. It is an LED backlit display. And you can get an idea for the ports. Lots of HDMI ports to choose from. It's VESA mountable if you want to mount it, or you can use the included stand. So 2160p screen resolution. It is a 60 hertz panel. There's 3 HDMI inputs, 1 composite, 1 digital optical output. There's an antenna cable input, headphone jack. See what we got. Oh, nice. All right. UFC app, Jack. Capital L. Oh boy, we're gonna be here for a minute. Look at that. PlayStation, Hulu, Showtime, HBO, Stars, ABC, Fox Sports Go, NBC, NBA, UFC, NFL, NHL, MLB, Newsy, Tubi. They want you to select so they can kind of make up your home screen. So let's just pick a few here. Pick all the sports, why not? That's a pretty nice setup going on. They merge together the streaming services with your HDMIs, which I like. I don't mind this setup. It's actually snappy as well. There's even games. Apparently, you can use Alexa to do some sort of a global search. So let's give that a shot. Play some jazz.
The station All Jazz on Amazon Music.
You know what I mean? Like baked right in. Order some laundry detergent.
One moment.
That's pretty cool. Since it's hooked up to my Amazon account, it's 2 seconds. And you know, it's also pretty quick as well. Search Unbox Therapy on YouTube. Whoa. All right, let's get a look at the picture real quick. Everyone is telling me this is the future of sound. That is a nice image. Should be listening to music. I'm pretty happy with that. We can just be like, what is Unbox Therapy?
Unbox Therapy is a YouTube channel that focuses on making videos about unboxing and reviewing products.
Who won the Super Bowl?
On February 3rd in the Super Bowl, the Patriots beat the Rams 13-3.
Who is Led Zeppelin?
Led Zeppelin were an English rock band formed in London in 1968.
What's the most populated country in the world?
The largest country on Earth by population is China with 1.38 billion
Get a graph?
People.
Wow.
Just like Google Home or whatever, it's typically a voice assistant exclusively, but when they started to make those devices with screens, I guess they had to generate those various graphics and whatnot. What is the best-selling smartphone on Amazon?
One moment.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's a top 20 smartphone by sales. We did a video on this, remember? What happens if I click on one? Yeah, add to cart. Let's try the audio, try the speakers out. It's pretty good. It's hard to figure out like what could really compete with this overall package at that price. Man, you get a lot for your money. The picture I'd say is better than I expected at the price point. The sound is kind of exactly where I expected it to be. It's easy to recommend. There's a reason why it's right near the top of the list for best-selling TVs on Amazon. Now remember, it does come in a 50-inch size as well. This might be the most no-brainer thing that I've ever showcased on the channel. You don't have a 4K TV? 250 bucks. You get the Alexa stuff as a bonus. No excuses now. I guess everybody has to have 4K. Everybody should. Everybody will. It's crazy what they're delivering at 250. I didn't expect it.